Welcome to my channel, Crypto Fomo Gamer. Today I am here with a new free airdrop for you. It is a social platform that has already reached 51 million funding. Many of you know that a social platform called Bubble has given everyone 3 to 4 digits before. It is also a social platform like that. Here you can earn by just chatting with your friends. This is the town's Twitter account. Follow their Twitter account so that no updates are missed. Recently they made a post on their Twitter account, and through their posts it is understood that they are going to give their airdrops very soon. I will put all the links for this airdrop in my description box. After joining from my given link, you need to log in with your Gmail account. After login with your Gmail account, it will look like this. Now you have to click on the join button. Now you have to wait for a while. Now copy the address there. Send some base Ethereum to the copied address, which will be like 30 cents dollars. Please subscribe to my channel for more new videos like this. Once your sent Ethereum is transferred, you need to click on the confirm button. Now you have to wait some more time. Confirm with your username here. If you want, you can enable notifications so that you know when someone posts a message in the group. Now you have to click on your profile. Now scroll down a bit and click on wallet option. Here you need to add your main MetaMask wallet. The main criteria for getting Town's airdrops is that you need to chat with your friends every day. The main purpose of this platform is social chatting. You will need to chat with your friends every day to get this airdrop. Now you need to create your own town. Click here to create. Now give a name for your town, and remember that your town is free to discover, so your friends can join your town for free. Once everything is filled out for your town, click the Create button. You will have to wait here for 2 to 3 minutes. You will need to pay some additional base Ethereum fee to build your town. You will have to wait here for 2 to 3 minutes. Once your town is created, give your town's share link to your friends, so they can join your town. Remember that your town must have at least 10 members join. If you want, you can create multiple channels like Discord in your town. Thank you all for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel to get more new airdrops like this.